Good morning, everyone. I'm Abubakar Okanaluge. I'm the coordinator of this chapter. Pleased to meet you all. So we will present ourselves and go.
I'm Smaila Kaburi, Technical Director of Soil Restoration and Sustainable Agriculture.
Kapti Seshita Zungrana is my name. In this chapter, I am the Technical Director in charge of forest and river restoration.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Hi everyone, I am Tolumi Oksansu, and for this chapter I will be a General Secretary.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. I'm Saudat Ouagadougou. For this chapter, I'm Communication Officer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So we will present our initiative to host this chapter. Oxans will present the first part, so that will go on the second part. Okay, Oxans.
Thank you. That chapter wants to invest in Burkina Faso to fight against land degradation. In fact, it is today a real problem for 60% of the agricultural population. Here you can see, I'm going to Batejo to send you some photo that you can. So there you can see what we want to talk about. There are many soil degradation there.
Okay, thank you, Oxans. So that you can go.
To do this, we will train young producers on several techniques, recovering and restoring degraded lands. There are techniques for limiting soil erosion, water and soil conservation techniques, but also techniques for eating community groves. Each year, around 100 hectares will be restored. Grows for 5,000 plants will be made, and around 40 farmers will be introduced to agroecology and agroforestry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time, for your disponibility. See you next meeting. Bye.
See you.
Bye.